Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Target CPA bidding automates bids to reach a desired cost per acquisition. It uses historical conversion data and auction signals to estimate values. You must enable conversion tracking and assign conversion values before activating the strategy. Set a realistic target CPA based on past campaign data and margin goals. Google recommends at least 15 conversions in the last 30 days for reliable learning. Expect an initial learning phase of about 7 to 14 days after major changes. Start by choosing a clear primary conversion action for bidding optimization. Set target CPA using recent historical cost per conversion or customer lifetime value. Use a 30-day conversion window to capture delayed purchases and more complete data. Include conversions that reflect real profit, not low-value micro-goals. Avoid frequent target changes, since learning requires 7 to 14 days to stabilize performance. If conversion volume is low, expand audiences, or increase budget to reach 15 conversions. Monitor CPA, conversion rate, and auction insights regularly for performance signals. If conversions remain below 15 per month, increase budget or broaden targeting to improve learning. Check conversion tracking for tag errors and confirm the correct conversion action is used. If performance suddenly degrades after changes, allow 7 to 14 days for readjustment before reacting. Consider temporary manual bids only when algorithmic performance is clearly worse than expected. Always document changes and test one variable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.